high intensity exercises, that is exercise 411. Okay, now it will tell about the some briefly by the Adam.
Today we're going to do high intensity exercises, which is going to be about strength, power, balance and stretching. So now we're going to start.
Okay, chalo yes, we can first do the push-up. Okay, for the push-up we have categorized into two parts. That is one for the boys and another for the girls. Okay, for the boys we are starting the boys one first. Okay, now take the position please. Yes, and should be straight. Okay, and just little bit margin the behind also, like open the leg please, little bit down. Okay, and see, I will first demo. Okay, take the demo. Just first look up me, then you follow me. Okay, now this one straight. Okay, up, straight. Okay, straight. Down, up, straight. Okay, down, up. Okay, and there one thing. Okay, hand should be not like this one. Hand should be inside. Okay, here, inside like that one. Yes. See, front, up. Okay, there should be no movement here and there. Okay. Body posture should be the correct one, like this one, up. Okay, this one. This is for the boys. This is for the boys only. Okay, not for the girls. Now next one we'll start for the girls. Now they'll come. See the first. I will tell you how to do. Okay, let's see. Same position. Okay, but just bend the knee. Okay, you have to cross the leg here. This is the main thing for the girls one. You have to cross the leg. Okay, and after this, you have to take the distance little bit. Okay, you have to just bend down. Okay, this is one, then up. This is two, up, three, up. This is for the girls. So the boys, you can also try, no issue. You can also try. Okay, you have to cross the leg. Yes, do the cross leg. Yes, cross, bend down again. Okay, one stand. Be slow. Okay, don't try to do as fast. Okay. Yes, ready? Yes, down, up, good, down, up, down, up. This is the main difference for the push-up for the boys and the girls. Okay, now next our exercise is about this sit-up. Okay, for the both. So just take the position please. Okay. Before this, just try to little bit stretch. Okay, just stretch a little bit. Okay, it will prepare you better. Okay, so avoid the injuries also. Okay, and should be like up, then down, up, and up. Now it's okay. Now we'll start the full sit-up. Okay, now there should be no support also. Chalo, yes, lie down please. Yes, lie down. And hands position should be like that. Just cross them. Look here. You have to cross. Okay. Behind that one, you have to cross. And you have to start. Okay. Now, ready? Yes. Up. Okay. You have to slowly up, and you have to try to touch the knee. Okay. Okay. Then slowly bend down. Okay. Then up. Okay. Then down. Then again one more time. Up. Okay, this is a full sit-up. Okay, now relax. This is a full. Now we are going to do half sit-up. So let's take the partners here. Just they'll come to me. This is the second one. How to do? This is the main thing. This is for the supporting. Okay, so you are close to, just close. Okay, the same position of hand we should here. Okay, now you just down, slowly up, down. Down, up, down, up. This is the way. Okay. Now next partner can do just there. Come here, come here. Just down. Okay. This should be a little bit close, and this should be close, and just on the toe. Okay, just only toe, only for the support. Just come close here. Then now okay now. Now ready? Start. Up. Good. This should be close there. Now this should. Okay. Now very good. Now try to, yes, very good. Good. Slowly. So last one. So yes, up. So yes, good. Change the partner again. I will show better. Okay. Let's see how to do. Just there one more time. Okay. This I should be close. This hand here only. Okay. After that, you just lie down. Then up slowly. Okay. Try to touch the head also here. Okay. This one. Up. Okay. That depend. Yes. Depend on you. Okay. How fast you want to do this one. Depend on you. Okay, now this should be, but don't try to jump there. Okay. So yes, next one. So take a position now a little bit. I think this will get the better idea how to do. Okay. Now third one. What is the third one exercise now? Yeah, stretching. Okay, we have to do a little bit stretching. Just try to open. Okay, little bit. Don't try over. Okay, little bit. Okay, first, chalo yes, hand should be down, little bit now. Okay, slowly. Okay, yeah, slowly. Chalo yes, go front, slowly. Slow. Okay, don't be hurry. I don't know about the injuries also. Yes, yes, down. Head should be up, and both knees should be downward. Okay, try to touch. Yeah, up, shoot up. Just take 15 seconds, almost 1, 2. Okay, so relax positions also. Okay, don't. Yes, up, slowly. Now, slowly, I will go to the backward. Okay, backward. If you have any problem, don't try this one. Okay, it is a very high intensity stretching like that one. Okay, you have to bend back. Open your this one. Okay, try this one. This is the better. Okay, now slowly go up again. Slowly, don't hurry. Yes, again same position. Yes, up. Head should be up. Yes, down. Yes, up. Yes, very good. Okay, don't try to force. Slowly. Once more. This is for the elite players. Okay, who I have already done earlier. Don't try to do as beginners or the best. Yes. Okay. Yes. Come to the forward and down for the mounting climbing exercises. Okay. Now, yes, one leg up, left, inside. Okay. Now, see how to do. Okay. First, see me. Okay, everybody. Try to see first me, then we do. Okay, this one. Up, then this. Okay, and slowly. Okay, this should be. So yeah, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Okay. So both legs should be behind. Okay. Now ready. Now next one is first. Right leg should be sideways like that. Okay. Then you come back also. Then after that. Okay, now see first how I am doing. Okay, now see. Yes, outside. So yes, continue. Flow. Yes, stop. Okay, relax position. Okay, now on the knee. Yes, down. Okay, full hand should be here. Body should be up. Yes. So yes, last one. Okay, so take your position, sit down please. Leg should be straight. Yes, hold the toe. So yes, lie down, bend behind, go back. Hand should be sideways. Okay. Yes, you have to be just put in the 90 degree. Okay, leg should be up. Straight. Down. Don't touch the ground. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Yes, up, please. Yeah. Again, on the knees, legs up. Should be up, and this should. This is our last exercises for the today. We have done the high intensity exercises today. That is about the 4th level. We can do better than this for the next time. Hoping we'll get more exercises after this one. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this videos.